Okay, here is a CB slash police band radio from it's from July of 1971, which is very early in the CB radio, I guess you could say, time, because CBs pretty much started to become popular after the movie Convoy came out in 1978. So this is 7 years before that. So let's get right into this. This is made by a company called ROBYN in Rockfield, Michigan. Like I said, it's from July of 1971. It's pretty dang early CB radio. I picked it up at a Goodwill for about $14. I'll give a little back look. Yeah. Patent pending. It has a fuse and it has an antenna input. I looked on the inside of it, and boy, is it complex. It is germanium transistors, surprisingly. Thought it would be those little, like, D-shaped ones. I'm not sure of the specific name for them. And then this says right here, says, you guys probably can't see it, it says off and 18-second delay. Not really sure what that means. Has a speaker output right there. I tested that and that works. It has a dashboard mount on it, or if you put it upside down, it's a ceiling mount, but I think this one was set up like this, so I think it was probably under the dashboard of a car. Has a pretty big antenna, and I'll get it extended. Alright, so there's the antenna. It's quite big. And now I'm going to demonstrate it being used. I tested it out before I bought it. It almost has a warm-up time of if it had 1-volt tubes, but it doesn't. And then here's a tone control right here. I'll get a side view on this. So here's the main kind of channel select thing right here. It has something that's man. It has 8 plus 8, and 16. This channel select right here. Dim, I'm not sure what that means. Then we have all these switches right here. There's the band select. 144 to 174 megahertz on VHF, and 25 to 55 megahertz on VHF, which is like a low frequency. Well, not VHF, I guess, but well, it's megahertz though. So. And as you can tell by it saying megahertz, it is after the cycles to hertz switch. Is this thing ever loud? This is the volume that it's at, like, pretty much. Like, that's a pretty loud CB. That's more bassy, and that's kind of like a voice. Now under these things, it has little lights inside of here. Not exactly sure what those mean, but they don't seem to light up at all on my unit. They're busted or something. Now none of them work. I don't know if it is burned out or if something's wrong, if they're not getting voltage. But yeah, a very complex unit with the tuning, with all these switches. Judging by this multi-band radio from around 1988, it seems that police band goes from 145 to 176, which the VHF band on here goes from 144 to 174, and TV1 band goes from 54 megahertz to 87, which on here, oh, never mind, it goes from 25 to 55, so where's like 25 at? I guess CB would be at 25, and it would be like an upper part of CB. It'd be starting from right there, and it would be ending right above there, so it's kind of a limited part of the CB scale. So if anybody were to broadcast on CB at those bands, I would probably receive it, which I might try sometime, actually. Alright. Something either chewed, or these maybe got smashed by something. These are looking a little bit rough, these like 3 last ones. But I guess I can do a quick channel sweep, starting from this end. Okay. Holy crap, is this light ever getting super hot? It's like burning my hand, even though my hand is probably 6 inches away from it. Thought I heard something from him. Squelch works. Tone works. Volume obviously works. Gotta find just the right area, but this slides into there. And then, if you were to detach this super weird cord, well, I guess that's not so weird for an appliance like this, it becomes quite a little compact device for what it is. Alright, well, that's my ROBYN high-low 8+8 CB/police band radio. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe.